Hello, ma'am. My today is my topic is great successful person of Ratan Tata. He was the foreman chairman of Tata Group. He was born in the Mumbai. The father name is the Naval Tata and mother name is Suni Tata. The government of India awarded Mr. Ratan Tata with Padma Bhushan in 2000 and Padma Vibhushan in 2008. Ratan Tata got a lifetime achievement award by the Rockefeller. Tata is a company which is one of the kind. Tata company is one of the super company which in the one since 150 years. They are not surviving the debt working so 100 more than 100 handle the more than 100 company more than the different country products survive use. It is the around the 150 countries. Now after popular product then include the Tata Sky, GST and Tata Motors, Tata Power, Titan, Taj Group, Lakme, etc. As per the 2018 data that Tata Group is the published the listed enterprise at local total capable for more than 150 billion and 100 out of the $100 billion revenue. The 60% income was out of the India as the England and the US. Tata Group comes under 7th largest private limited company is related to employed more than 6 lakh 95,000 and work is the Tata. Not only the Tata Group come the 11th position by the Forbes or most reputation company. There survived Tata was the 94th position out of the 500 for most valuable company. R goes to the credit for gold success or Jasmati Tata and the Ratan Tata management of the Tata Group. They have kept rules, principle and wisdom. There is a principle. He at the Tata most brand and across the globe. Very important learn to their wisdom is always to success. But success we can learn anything for Tata Groups. But I specially said the success and business lesson of Ratan Tata. With the help of which management, many successful of the Tata's Group. In 91 years, the leadership Ratan Tata raised the 50% of profit and raised the 40% in revenue and also give the Indian Express think and I have said because under the Ratan Tata leadership have totally we will the learn Ratan Tata's. First rules is trust, value, commitment. If you remember then, and the must heard the news of the Tata Group in the 2060 how the suddenly removed the Cyrus Mistry from chairman position. Now is the shocking news because the Ratan Tata by the himself Cyrus Mistry after a 4-year research and effort for chairman position. He believes the Cyrus is a good right person and he is capable to talking position. In fact, all hope is Cyrus when the was talking about him and about why he is removed suddenly at the group. What many reason where the told many people such as the after Cyrus joined has been a negative growth and increased the company that Cyrus bad manager. But actually reason as per this Cyrus was focusing on profit instead the Tata's values and commitment. Example, Japan company NTT Docomo has come to India in 2009. At that time they bought the 26% sales and from Tata in the 30,000 crore. When is the deal to Tata permit the Docomo, then he leave whenever they want to and when they will be refunded as per market value is not then the at least investment is restrict. Now the tel service wasn't working properly, hence the Docomo city leave and decide to leave and situation was going to disappointed the Cyrus Mistry and as such a good buyer but the Tata is not able to find and ask Tata to buy their shares for deal. Experts said the Cyrus is RBI guideline against Docomo refused to say money and started to legal fight against the Docomo because as per them giving money was not a good business decision. Docomo is find unacceptable because business is Tata is a trust because the Tata is a goodwill trust of goodwill because the Tata's name is famous across the globe and values and commitment and the tax Cyrus decision acceptable decision but the biggest reason of Cyrus termination and interview Ratan Tata said there is for the trust number and priority in the first. Many people are given to anything over good or fair their business. They will lie anything wrong. Commitment break the just short time profit and benefit. Tata Group is not. He is the belief in the trust, and she is the successful actor grow in the since so many successful. Thank you for my listening.